Hello, my name is Mitya and you're watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial, in which I will show you a few simple tricks for making better melodies. Melodies are building blocks of great sounding music that people remember. And despite the fact that groove is essential to the electronic music, you usually won't find yourself thinking about it for long. Therefore, it's obvious that people remember songs by their melodies. With this in mind, I will show you a few simple tricks for crafting better melodies in the following tutorial. I began by writing a basic rhythm for the melody. Next, I continued to work on it by concentrating on the melody contour. Finally, I worked on melody structure and variation for the final touches. I have also made some additional automation of the filter cutoff parameter in order to finalize the sequence. Let's hear the final result. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.